The Supreme Court of Georgia overturning 4 rules from the state election board, measures that were just approved before the recent presidential elections. So what does that mean for local voting going forward? Here's Isabella Moody.
When the SEB passed 7 new election rules, they faced a legal challenge, the Fulton County Superior Court ruling them unlawful. The Supreme Court has now ruled 4 of the 7 rules invalid.
State Elections Board had passed some rules. There was a lawsuit, so they enjoined the rules, and the Supreme Court, they appealed it, and the Supreme Court upheld that decision.
The rules that are now invalid are the reasonable inquiry rule, the hand count rule, Dropbox ID rule, and the examination rule. The only rule that was upheld out of the 7 is video surveillance of absentee drop boxes outside of voting hours. The other 2 rules, the poll watcher and daily reporting, have been sent back to trial court.
Now, there were 2 rules that the Supreme Court said were fine. One had to do with video surveillance of drop boxes, and another one had to do with posting results to the website. We've been posting results to the website already.
The Richmond County Board of Elections Director Travis Doss says this will not change anything for voters because the rules never went into effect.
I'm currently president of the Georgia Association of Voter Registration and Election Officials, and we had kind of fought against these rules only because they were too close to the election. So the court did enjoin them, so they couldn't be used.
Doss says he is happy to finally have closure.
The good thing about the decision for the Supreme Court, it kind of gives a definitive answer. We were sort of in limbo after the rules were passed in November, after there was the lawsuit.
The primary for Public Service Commission is currently underway in Richmond County, with early voting until this Friday and Election Day Tuesday, June 17th. In Augusta, Isabella Moody, WJBF News Channel 6.